Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making some amazing chewy oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. So let's get on with the ingredients. For our recipe, we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 120 grams, 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, 135 grams, a half a cup of butter, 113 grams, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 170 grams, 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 140 grams, 1/3 of a cup of white granulated sugar, 65 grams, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 grams, and our last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to get all of my butter into my mixing bowl. Just get that on. I want to make sure I'm on camera here. I'm going to use the paddle for this. Get that on. I'm just going to cream the butter. Okay, that's about 30 seconds of mixing. That's good enough. Then I'm going to get in all of my brown sugar. Put that right in there. White sugar. And our egg. This machine here is a Cuisinart. I'm going to get this going. I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, and at this point I want to start getting this really mixed up. Alright, that is good. And now for our dry ingredients. So to make this super easy, I've got my flour, my salt, my baking soda, and then let's just stir that in. If you're using salted butter, do not add the extra salt. It is optional. That's good. Now I'm just going to get all of that in. Now let's mix this up. Just going to go on low speed now. You do not want to start over mixing your batter. So just let this go. It's low speed, just until it's coming together. So I've just mixed this for about maybe 45 seconds, and I did use my spatula. If you find stuff is on the side of your bowl and not mixing in properly, just turn the mixer off and just move it down where the beater can actually start mixing it. And then we're going to add in all of our oats right in, and again, just gently mix those in. Okay, that's good. And then all of our chocolate chips. And I am using semi-sweet. You can use anything that you like. Semi-sweet, you could use white chocolate if you wanted to. dark chocolate, maybe even milk chocolate. And that's it for the recipe. Just give it another little spin and that's it. And that's how easy it is to make this recipe. So at this point, we have 3 different options. You can scoop these out, put them onto a tray, and bake them right away. Option 2 is to put your bowl in the fridge for a good half hour or so just to chill the dough down a little bit, and then scoop them onto your cookie tray. And the third option is to scoop them out now onto your cookie tray, and if you do have the room, then just slide the whole tray into your fridge for about a half an hour. So 3 easy methods that you can choose from. So what I've decided to do is put out the cookies onto the sheets, and then I'm going to put them in the fridge for a good 30 minutes. Now, I just wanted to weigh one of these because somebody's going to want to know. I just got to put that on there, and we're talking 83 grams. So that's how much those weigh. I'm just going to scoop it off and get it on here. And I think I have enough just for one more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them into the fridge, chill them down a good 30 minutes. It could be 40 minutes if you want. And then right into the oven, I'll bake them and then I'll come back. Hey everybody, I am back and all my cookies are baked and they smell amazing. So all of my cookies were baked for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. So 15 minutes. I did this tray first and then I went in with this tray. So what can I say? They look amazing. I'm just going to take one here. This one here, this tray is completely cooled. These are just slightly warm still, so I want to go in for a true test. The true test of a cookie to see how good it is, it's got to be completely cool. But anyway, look at this. Make sure I am on camera here. Look at this. Oh, oh, oh. Look at that. This looks amazing. And when I say chewy, these are chewy. You will not be disappointed. Look at that. Oh, nice browning on the bottom. Perfect. That is so good. Out of all of my oatmeal cookie recipes, this one here is my favorite. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out over there as well at BakeLikeAPro. So a super easy recipe. I hope you try it soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm going in for another bite. This is so good. Oh, this is amazing. Amazing. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.